Hey everyone, hope you're well. Today I've created a cool automation in n8n that is getting the report of all the week and sending it on Slack on every Monday. So if I show you the document, it is about to, we need to create an automation where we will go to different databases, pick various values, and in the message we need this data on, and we need to send it like 10 a.m. Monday on Slack. And we have the database names and links here as well. But yeah, if I show you the automation, the trigger is to schedule. It will be running on Monday 10 a.m. And then we have JavaScript code just for getting just for like getting the time, exact time through data range, and then formatting it. We are using JavaScript. We have then we are searching that in lead master, like the data in pipeline too, as mentioned in the database. And if it is like there is an error, we are rerunning that step again after a wait of 2 minutes. And similarly, like if we are going well, it will be proceeding with some logics in JavaScript, and then we are checking from the second database jobs db, and similarly it is going, and at the end we are merging the all the data from all the databases, and we're sending it on Slack. So yeah, this is a pretty simple cool automation. You can follow this, and if you need some kind of automation like this, please approach me on my WhatsApp number or on my Gmail. Thank you.